guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a lip swatch video, and today I am swatching some of the Wet n Wild Megaslicks lip glosses. So I only have 3 shades to show you today. I actually saw somebody talking about these online recently and I thought, oh, I want to try those out. These are like super cheap. I think I got them for like £3 or £4 each from Amazon. Crazy affordable, so if they're not that good, I'm not too bothered. Wet n Wild have really affordable makeup anyway. So yeah, let's just get started. So the first shade that I'm swatching is the shade Cherish. Looks like a peachy chrome type shade. Okay, so this is very like a pearlized, almost chrome type effect lip gloss, which I'm sorry, but I don't like these kind of lip glosses. So already I don't like this one. It's just the effect. It's like a pearly chrome type effect, which I don't like on a lip gloss. Lots of people do. I just don't think it suits me. I don't like the way it looks on me. So I'm not too keen on this one so far. So that's a no. Next up, I have the shade Crushed Grapes, which looks like, I think this might be like a sheer pink sparkly type shade, like grape type shade. We'll see now. Yeah, like I thought, it's like a sheer grape type shade with lots of sparkles in it. Again, I'm not too keen on it. I can't see me wearing this much. This just isn't my kind of shade. However, there's nothing wrong with these lip glosses. There's no stickiness. They feel really creamy and soft on the lips. They applied really nicely. I like the doe foot applicator, really nice. And there's nothing wrong with this shade. It's quite nice. So yeah, that's an okay shade for me. I probably would wear it now and then. I just wouldn't reach for it all the time. So that's an okay shade for me. And then the final shade seems more of like a cream shade rather than a sparkly sheer glitter. This seems more of like a cream. So I'm hoping that I like this the most. And this is in the shade Snuggle Sesh. Yeah, that one is definitely my favourite. This is definitely more of the type of glosses that I like to wear. I don't tend to always go for like the sheer glittery sparkly ones. I like the creamy ones that have a bit more colour and substance to them. And definitely I love this lip gloss. This is something that I would wear on a regular basis. And considering this is only £3, it feels amazing on my lips. There's absolutely no stickiness, as you can see. I don't know how long they're going to last, probably not a huge amount of time, but for £3 or £4, it doesn't matter, you can just keep topping up throughout the day, so I think that's really affordable. And I think that the other shades are really nice too. I would wear this one. I'm not sure I would wear this one again. I might give this one away to a family member. But there are lots of different shades you can choose from, and genuinely for £3, I think they are worth it. It's super affordable. If you are looking for a really affordable drugstore lip gloss in lots of different shades, then definitely try these out because the formula is amazing. It's super comfortable and it's really nice to wear on your lips. So yeah, I really like these. These definitely get a thumbs up from me. So yeah, that completes this video. This was my review of the Wet n Wild Megaslicks lip glosses. I hope that you found it helpful and I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!